Everyone loves to travel. Some people like to travel locally. Some people like to travel abroad. Either way, people love to travel, right? So I say this to say that the travel industry makes millions and billions of dollars every year, right? There's no doubt about it. So why not make money off of the travel industry yourself, right? It's a no-brainer. Why not do it? So I'm going to break down 10 ways to travel and use the travel industry to make 6 figures or more doing it, okay? But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My
name is Devon Puddingwork Burke, the wealth builder himself for the wealthbuilders.com. That's Wealth Builders with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealth Builders Solutions LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, so there are a few different ways to make money in the travel industry and make 6 figures or more while doing it. But I'm going to focus on, in this video, using YouTube, a website, and social media. All right, so there are countless travel topics that can be found on YouTube. Here are some popular ones, right? We're gonna go through the popular ones. Number 1, travel vlogs. These are videos where travelers document their trips, showcasing the places they visit, the food they eat, and the activities they do. Okay, so number 2, destination guides. These videos give viewers an overview of a particular location, including its history, culture, attractions, and things to do. Okay, so basically you're kind of like the guide to help people have fun in different locations. Number 3, budget travel. Now, these videos provide tips and tricks on how to travel on a tight budget, including ways to save on flights, accommodations, food, and activities. All right. Number 4, adventure travel. These videos focus on adrenaline pumping activities such as hiking, skiing, surfing, and other extreme sports. So basically anything extreme, anything fun, anything crazy, this is the type of thing you want to record. Number 5, food travel. These videos explore the culinary scenes in different locations, featuring local dishes, restaurants, and food markets. You know, foodies, people love food, okay? And you can make this into a full-blown thing if you do it right, okay? If you're a chef, food travel can be definitely something you can record and make a lot of money with. Number 6, luxury travel. These videos showcase high-end accommodations, fine dining, and exclusive experiences in some of the world's most glamorous, pretty, expensive destinations, right? Now, you can't do this on a budget, okay? So you definitely have to be spending some money. Your best bet is to have some type of credit or funding or something like that. And if you want any of that information, there is a link in the description for that. Number 7, solo travel. These videos provide advice and inspiration for those who want to travel alone, including safety tips, itinerary planning, and ways to meet new people safely, okay? These type of videos provide that type of information. So if you're gonna do this, you need to know specifically how to meet new people safely, planning of itineraries, all that. You gotta know it, all right? And number 8, family travel. These videos provide advice and inspiration for families traveling with kids, including kid-friendly activities, accommodations, and destinations, and tips and tricks on how to, get there on time with leaving with such a big group of people, especially kids. Kids will make you late for anything and everything, okay? So this is definitely a good type of thing you can do if you have experience in family trips. Number 9, digital nomad traveling. These videos showcase the lives of people who work remotely and travel the world, providing tips and advice for those who want to do the same. Okay, because it comes a lot to being able to travel and work and have fun and do it on a budget and things of that nature. Number 10, cultural travel, or culture travel, I should say. These videos explore the arts, traditions, and customs of different cultures, including music, dance, festivals, and rituals. Okay, it's a lot to that also. You definitely have to be kind of like pulled into those different societies and cultures. So now that you have a list of topics you can choose from, and you can shoot travel videos on. You can choose one of these topics and create a travel YouTube channel all around it. Now, your editing can be outsourced to companies like Fiverr, Upwork, or you can do it yourself. Now, doing it yourself, you definitely will need some type of software. There's a link in the description for my top, my top rated software you can use to edit your videos. Now, once you upload these videos and keywords based on your topics, you can start to generate some type of, energy and subscribers for your YouTube channel. And once you've got that down packed, you can set up a travel website or blog and repost your videos on there. Now, once you've reposted these videos on your blog, you can then take that website link to your social media posts on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. This will give you some traffic to your website and or e-commerce site, because you want to link somewhere people can buy something to start making some type of income. And even though these are some basic things to do, but they are super effective if done on a regular basis. But YouTube will be your most used traffic source. Okay, so keep that in mind. YouTube will be your main focus. It's like, you put a big circle around YouTube and then kind of link other things to it, right? Now, the question is, how would you make this a 6-figure business with travel? Well, it's kind of simple, right? It's kind of using what I just explained, right? Number 1, YouTube will become an income source through its YouTube Partner Program. This is where you will get the passive income without worrying about a sale. Now, it takes some time to get to the YouTube Partner Program level, and it definitely takes some energy, but it's not unattainable. It's not saturated as much as people think it is. Now, it's a little harder than what it used to be to get to that level, but it's still not as hard as most people think it is. Number 2, join affiliate programs. There's affiliate programs like ClickBank, Amazon, and CJ.com. There's others, but we're going to specifically worry about these ones. This is your second income stream. You will post the links in your bios and YouTube descriptions, okay? And you will generate, income like that. Number 3, grab emails, not followers. You want to convert all your subscribers and followers into an email list, and you want to do this as much as possible. That's so you can email them when your newest videos drop. You can email them affiliate links on a weekly basis, and you want to contact them on a daily basis. Also, you want to add in getting their phone number. That's so you can send text blasts also. Now, using these 3 to 4 steps on a regular basis, you can easily create a 6-figure business or more. Now, the only thing that's stopping you is your lack of consistency, right? Consistency is the only way to build this type of business model. And most people nowadays want to make it, make it more than what it is. Meaning like they want to make it harder than what this business model should be. It's very, very concrete. You just upload the content, you post the videos everywhere you can post them, redirect them to an email list. You get them on your email list, and then you send out blasts of affiliate programs that you're connected with. You send out blasts of new videos that you post, so that you can keep the content rolling, and becomes a snowball effect, and you create a 6-figure business. Okay. Yes, there's a few more steps to it, but I'm not going to get all into that, right? You got to pay me for that. All right, so check out the Wealth Builders newsletter. It's a free newsletter to help you build your business in this forever changing economy. The link is in the description, okay? It's wbznewsletter.online. Go ahead, subscribe to the newsletter. It's free. All right, so it's no harm, no foul. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to create a 6-figure business using travel. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.